Again, let's take a look at this crime prevention through environmental design. This is the physical construction of our environment that tends to deter a crime from taking place. If we have good lighting, good visibility, it is less likely that a criminal will actually take action. The whole point of this is to understand this relationship between the way a criminal will behave relative to their specific physical environment. Again, they want to be stealthy. If it's well lit, high visibility, likely that they'll be seen, it's very likely they will not commit the crime. Here are some examples of how we might design an environment to minimize crime. First, we see on the left that there might be the casual bypasser that could observe a crime taking place. The area is well lit. So the more public the place, the more visible the environment, the more well lit the environment, the less likely a crime will be committed here. With this in mind, here are some examples of how we might design our environment to implement this crime prevention through environmental design. Keep the hedges and shrubbery low enough that a bad guy can't hide behind them. If there are people in the area, a criminal is less likely to commit the crime because of so many witnesses around, and they might even stop him from committing the crime. Good visibility, good lines of sight, and again, this requires good illumination and even boundaries. We see this, the term lights and bollards down below. Bollards are boundaries that are placed along walkways to identify public areas and private areas. If we have physical access controls, such as the double door here, a criminal now realizes this is going to slow him down. This is a delay tactic. This is going to slow him down as he makes his escape. So the criminal is less likely to commit the crime in an area designed like this. Natural surveillance. Create wide open spaces as you're building your facilities or as you're designing your facilities. Again, this increases visibility and it makes it less likely that a criminal will feel comfortable in committing his crime. It's more likely he'll be detected. Territorial reinforcement, again, bollards, fences, boundaries. What we want to do is present visible boundaries that identify where public turf is and where private turf is, so that the bad guys will know when they're violating the private territory. There's a great example of that concept. Another aspect of this is target hardening. In other words, make it difficult for the bad guy to get to the area of intended crime where the theft might be taking place or the crime might be taking place. Make it difficult for him to get there. Again, this is a delay tactic. This also is a deterrent. If they see large fences, if they see large locks, things along these lines, if there's signage that says warning, this premises is uses an alarm system, you will delay or deter the attack. So we want to harden the targets and make that hardening visible to the attacker. Now